All your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. But no one tells you how scary courage really is. Courage is starting when you don't feel ready. It's believing in a vision no one else can see yet. Every successful story you admire started with doubt, sleepless nights, moments of wanting to quit. There was a time they almost gave up. A time when the dream felt too big and they felt too small. But courage whispered,
"Try one more time."
not because success was guaranteed, but because regret would hurt more. Dreams don't come true overnight. They come true step by step, failure by failure, choice by choice. And the moment you decide to keep going despite fear, that's the moment your life starts to change. Your dream isn't crazy, it's calling you. So be brave enough to chase it, even if your voice shakes, even if the path is unclear. Because one day, your story will inspire someone else to believe again. If this moved you, like the video, subscribe for more motivation, and let's keep chasing dreams together.